All right, hello kindergarten. For this activity, you're going to need to be on page 323. Okay, you're going to need 5 of your math cubes and a pencil. Okay, so pause the video, get 5 of your math cubes out of your math baggie, a pencil, and page 323. If you're missing some of your cubes or you don't have them, we can do it without them, okay? But if you can find them, that would be best. So pause the video and get your supplies. Pencil, 5 cubes, page 323. Okay. Okay, now we're back. You're on page 323. You're going to match the add-ins, which are the parts of this problem, okay, with the total number of cubes over here. So yesterday, we were matching the numbers of dogs and kitties to the number sentence that matched. This time we're doing the same thing, except this time the number sentence and the pictures here, the total squished all together is over here. Okay? So, what I want you to think about, take your cubes and right on top of your math book, I want you to put 1, 2, 3 cubes all together. Pause the video and go ahead and do that. Okay, so you have 1, 2, 3 cubes all together. And now go ahead and put right on your math book 1 more cube plus 1 and 1 more. Put that cube right there. Okay. So we have 1, 2, 3 cubes all put together just like this. 3 plus 1. Right here, plus 1. If I squish those all together, if I squish the 3 plus the 1, how many would I have in all? Push your cubes together right now and count them. How many do you have in all? Then I want you to draw a line to the picture that matches over here. So which one? 1, 2, 3, 4. Which one is 4? Let's see. 1, 2, 3. No, that's not 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. How many are 3 plus 1? 1, 2, 3, 4. Draw a line from 4 to 4. We made a match. Okay, excellent. Now we're going to go ahead to the next page. So just turn the page. We're going to do the same thing. Instead of matching kittens and puppies like we did the other day, we're going to match cubes and number sentences. So let's do the first one together. Let's count the orange cubes. 1, 2, 3. 3 plus 1 yellow equals how many in all? 1, 2, 3, 4. So which one of these sentences shows me 3? 1, 2, 3 plus 1. Which one shows me 3 plus 1? No. 3 plus 1? No. 3 plus 1 equals 4. Yes, so draw a line and make a match. Okay. I want you to try to do the other two on your own. So figure out, count which number sentence matches, draw a line to which one matches, and for this one, try and figure out which number sentence this might be. This one or this one, draw a line, okay? And then send me your work. I want want to see it. Okay? Good job, and I will see you bright and early tomorrow morning. All right. Have a good afternoon.